But I thought that in this time of flux and uncertainty, when we're all talking about shifts all around us, right? Our topic is platform shifts, uncharted stories. The very topic gives you a sense that there's a little bit of a sense in our industry, which I at least haven't felt for a long time, which is that we're in uncharted waters. The platforms are changing, the distribution models are changing, the audience is changing, this new technology, AI is coming in, which we now know that we are not going to be fully capable of handling and having in our control. It'll grow in ways that we have no idea about. And so there is a certain amount of trepidation amongst people around where is all this going. So I just wanted to go over some of the known knowns, right? Things that we know that we know. Digital is now central to our lives, and there's no doubt about that. In India, AVOD dominates, which is the advertising video on demand model. SVOD is definitely growing, but we know that unlike many other developed countries in the world, we are an advertiser-driven model, not a subscription-driven model. And digital is growing by leaps and bounds. Regionalization has increased to a large extent, where today you always had the southern film industries being very strong. But today, at least in India, you've got very, very strong regional markets that have business models unto themselves completely, a creative ecosystem that is completely unique to them, and ways of doing business that are also quite unique to them, despite the fact that now you've got large global players coming in and working across geography.